Consider the numbers 24 and 56. Create a factor tree for each number and write the prime factorization of each number. So we need to make a factor tree for the number 24 and the number 56. Let's begin with the number 24. The reason it's called a factor tree is because we create branches that lead to the factors. The nice thing about making a factor tree is it doesn't matter which two factors you start with. So for instance, for 24, I could start with 2 and 12, 3 and 8, or 4 and 6. As long as I pick two numbers that multiply to 24, I'm okay. So for this example, I'm going to start with 6 and 4. So you can see I drew two branches and then the number 6 and 4. Now, you try to branch off of those numbers. 6 can continue to be broken down into factors of 3 and 2, and 4 has factors of 2 and 2. You know that your branches are done, or your tree is done, when you've reached prime numbers. So I have prime numbers at the end of all these branches, so I circle them to show that I'm finished. Let's do 56. I'm choosing to start with 7 and 8. 7 is already a prime number, so that branch is finished. But 8 can continue into 4 and 2. 2 is a prime number, so that branch is finished, but 4 can keep going into 2 and 2. So I have all the prime numbers circled for the factor trees. Now I'm ready to write my prime factorization. 24 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. You could also write it as 2 cubed times 3. 56 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Or you could write it as 2 cubed times 7. And you can see we've highlighted the final answer.